Very good afternoon to all of you. I hope I'm audible to everyone. First of all, welcome you all to the second term revision webinar conducted by TLA Studies. So, right now we know what's the objective of the session, what are we doing in the session, and we can directly go to the session, but still to give you a small understanding what would happen in the session, I shall give a small introduction as the moderator and then invite the teacher to start the class. TLS Studies as an online academy, we do conduct subjects for all English medium subjects in online mode. So as a support to the upcoming second term test, we thought of conducting a revision session in the webinar mode. As we are always based on online platform, as a support, we are going to have this in online mode. What happens in the class is, in this particular session is, this is open. We do have students from different ends. So sir will take up talking with you, Pute. So basically, our plan here is, this is a revision, Pute. Revision means y'all have learned for around more than 2 months. Now y'all have learned the second term content. Probably second week of next month, the term test is there. So that we'll be discussing the questions, discussing the content based on questions. I hope you all have received the exam paper, which we have shared yesterday, and even right now it is updated in the chat. In case if you don't have the paper, just take it from the chat, or else even in the group the paper is there. I shall forward once again. That paper would be discussed within this entire session. The session is planned from 12 to 2. So we have almost 1 hour and 50 minutes to conduct the session. This session, although it's a webinar, you can see all your mics are open. You can unmute and speak up with sir. He will be open to answer any question. And it's absolutely in a discussion mode. We do not restrict you just to sit in front of the computer and get this done. කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ පුතේ. ඔයාලට තියෙන ඕන question එකක් අහන්න in any medium, no problem. Right? Although the session would be conducted in English medium, sometimes there would be certain terms that you can't understand. You might not get the whole thing properly. Then please ask. The chat box is open, hand raise, react options, everything is open. So you can discuss and get the best out of the session. At the same time, I kindly request all the participants to maintain the discipline within the session to make it a well productive work, because we do have a big content to be covered within this short time. Okay, right. So without taking much time, let me introduce your facilitator for the day. Your maths sir for the day is Sir Tarun Navindya. He is experienced in conducting mathematics in English medium since 2019. Let me introduce a bit about him. He's a graduate from Horizon Campus into networking area. He has obtained his bachelor's into networking and mobile computing, which is having mathematical and IT background as well. So with this experience, he will definitely be able to give you the best within this session. So without taking much time, we are on the dot, and I will hand over the session to Mr. Tarun Navindya to take up the session forward. Very good luck, Pute. Everyone, take the best out of this. Ask any questions, do the sums with sir, and make your term test an easy-going one. Very good luck. Sir, over to you.
Thank you, Miss. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir, it is.
Can you see me right now?
Now, yes, we can see you and hear you as well.
Right. Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Right. මට directly call කරන්න බැරි නම් ගොඩාක් තියෙනවා නේ. මම දන්න දෙතුන් දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. So එක්කෙනාගේ self කියන අහන්න time එකක් මදි වෙයි නේ. අපිට 2 hours නේ දීලා තියෙන slot එක නේද?
ඒක
නැත්තම් මම
නිසා
හරි
නේද?
කැමතියි
එතකොට
කතා
අපිට
කරන්න.
අද ඒක විතරයි
ඔව්.
කරන්න වෙන්නේ.
ඔව්. නැත්තම් මම කැමතියි ඔයාලත් එක්ක කතා කරන්න.
ඒකනේ.
So let's move on to the paper නේ. Directly move on to the paper. මම දන්න දෙතුන් දෙනෙක් ඉන්න මනුල Manula, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sachinta, all right. Okay, so can you see the screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right. So who can read the first question? Hard kiyan pulang. Kalian ප්‍රශ්නේ. පුළන්න. hand raise කරන්න දන්නව නේද? Zoom එකේදී. බලන්න hand raising එකක් දෙන්න. Ah, right. The first Wohara. මේ pronunciation ගණන් ගන්න පා නම් චුට්ටක් අමාරුයි හරි. Wohara how many? So try to read the first question.
X. The letter of the word Maharagama. Write the set X by elements.
Listing elements, right? I'll explain the methods of writing a element. Sorry, methods of writing a set, right? මම set එකක් ලියන විදි තියෙනවා ගොඩාක්, right? මම ඔයාලගේ grade 7 syllabus එකට තියෙන විදිහට මම ඔයාලට explain කරන්න කොහොමද set එකක් ලියන methods කියලා, right? Let's take the first question. X equals to the X equals the letters of the word Maharagama. So all the letters are capital in here නේ. ඔක්කොම letters මේක ඇතුළේ තියෙනවා capital. right? එතකොට අපි answer එකේ තියෙන elements ටික නැත්තම් මේ තියෙන අපි කියන මේ letters අපි ලියන ඒවාට කියනවා elements කියලා, right? ඒතර ඔය elements ටික ඔක්කොම capital වෙන්න ඕන. right? capital කරේ නැත්තම් ඒක වැරදි. එතකොට marks හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. So අපි මේකට answer එක පොඩ්ඩක් develop කරන්න බලමු, right? Give me a second. Right, this is first question. So let's see. බලන්න මේකට answer කියන්න පුළුවන් කාටද? පුළුවන් නම් nice. කවුද ඉන්නේ අපේ talented ළමයි බලන්න. Some Muslim students are also in here නේද? Can you understand Sinhala Muslim students? Oh,
Yes.
English only. Hello?
Yes, sir.
You can understand Sinhala. Then I can continue the whole session in Sinhala or Sinhala and English mix or only English? What you prefer?
English.
Sorry?
English.
Only English?
Yeah.
All right. So, okay. Right. Then we have to write down this set as the write the set by listing elements method. So you have to I'm just revising the past notes, right? So x equals, we have to write down the name of the set. This is the name of the set. Name of the set means x, right? So x equals, then what are the elements in here? In the word Maharagama,
M.
what are the elements? M, correct? M. A.
H.
H.
R.
R. So why don't you write the A? A එක ලියුවේ නැත්තේ. Again A in here. There are two A's. Right, yes. Wow, talented guys, huh? Some Einsteins and Pythagoras are in here. Good. Very good. Excellent, right? Nice. Who's that? Zayad Azim, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Excellent. Huh? Then R. After that?
G.
G. Good. Then
M.
M. Is that all?
M.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So we don't repeat the same letter when writing and when writing the elements in sets, right? We don't repeat the elements again. So you can write down the point in front of the question or the answer. Write down the point as we don't write the elements. We don't write the elements in the set again and again. Inside bracket, write down as do not repeat. Repeat the same element. Right? Write on this point in front of your answer. Nice. Right. So let's move on. Are there any questions in the first question? ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. It's okay, right? Don't wait for the end of the session. Question එක කරද්දී ප්‍රශ්න තිබ්බොත් ඒ වෙලෙම අහන්න. Right. Right. So let's move on to the second question. Right. So this is the second question. Now who can read? Manla, try to read the second question. Only is in here, right? No need Manla. Oh, let's give the chance to Saudi Tower. Azim. Try to read the second question.
I don't know.
Select and underline.
Select and underline the improper fractions from the following.
Followings, right? Select and underline the improper fractions. So what are the fraction types? There are several types. Huh? Fraction types, Munad. What are the types of fractions? First one, I'll give you some help. It's known
Unit
as
fractions.
Yes, unit fractions. Good. Next one.
Proper fractions.
Proper fractions. Right. Fractions. Next one.
Improper fractions.
Yes, good. Improper fractions, right? So write down some examples for unit fractions, right? Unit fractions means always the numerator should be what?
1.
Yes. Should be 1. So I'll write down some examples like 1 over 2, then 1 over 5, 1 over 7, 1 over 1000, anything, right? But the numerator should be always 1, right? That's the point. Then proper fractions means what?
Always the numerator is less than the denominator.
බේමිතනේ කතා කරන්නේ. Right. Always.
Okay.
Always the what?
Numerator is less than the denominator.
Yes, good. Always the numerator is less than the denominator. Others, if you have any questions, please ask. Huh? මම බොරු කියනවත් දන්නේ නැහැ. ඉතින් පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න මට. Right. So let's write down some examples. Proper fractions means then 2/5. Then 3/7. 4/15. Likewise, right? Always the numerator should be less than the denominator. So improper fractions means the total opposite of the proper fraction. Proper fractions are full opposite එක තමයි මොකක්ද? Improper here. So improper means always the denominator is greater than the numerator. That's it. So බලන්න කියන්න පුළුවන් කාටද මෙතන? What are the improper fractions in here? Is this an improper fraction? 2/3.
No.
No, because 2 is less than 3. 2 is
Yeah.
less than 3. This is a proper fraction, right? This is a proper fraction. Then this one, 7/5.
Improper fraction.
This is correct, right? Yes, this is correct. Then 1, 2/3. These are known as mixed numbers, right? මේවට අපි කියනවා mixed numbers කියලා. So මේවා sorry. මොන හරි කිව්වද පොර?
Mixed number.
Mixed numbers, yes. Asha, good. Asha, Asha. කවුද ආශාද ආශාද පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න. Right, mixed numbers, right මේවා. So 5/4.
Improper fraction.
Improper, correct. This one is correct. 2/5 is a
Proper
proper
fraction.
fraction. So the answer should be 7/5 and 5/4. මේ දෙකට underline දෙයක් තිබ්බනම් හරි. ඔයාලා මේ note එක ලියා ගන්න. Write down this note in front of your question or your answer booklet. Right? Oh, Chitra di screen again. Right. It's okay. Okay, let's move on to the third question. Right. Shall I keep the screen or move the screen? All you wrote it down, right? All of you are wrote it down. Right. Okay, then the next question. Dun, dun. These are indices, right? If a equals to 1, b equals to 2, find the value of what? ab to the power 3. Right, I'll give you 1 minute. Try to find the answer of this one. Share this in the chat box, right? I'll give you 1 minute. That your time starts now. Huh? Only 1 minute. Back විතර ගන්න පා. බත් කාලේ හැම ඉන්න පා. ගාන හදන්න වෙලා දුන්නේ. Right. Seven. Bemita Veerakoon saying that the answer is 7. Are there any answers? I got one answer, 7. Vihan, I think. Vihan Vijay Bandara is saying that 6. Vohara Kaumini is saying that 7. This is also in here. This is saying 5. Hasna is saying 5. Sachint is saying 7. Azim is saying 7, 7, 7. So there are several answers. The 5, 7, 6. So I'll find out, right? Because time stops now, right? Bye. Your time's up. So,
Sir, I
in
told that this answer is 7.
your answer is 7, right? Right. Sorry, yeah, yeah, good, right. So I'll write down the when you getting this kind of questions. First, write down the given question. Given question means this one. First, you have to write down this one, right? Shivani is saying 7. Okay, Saad Khan. Oh, Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan is like saying 7. Shah Rukh Khan and everything. Right, good. A B to the power 3. Right? A means now you have to substitute. This is known as the substitution. මේකට අපි කියනවා substitute කරනවා කියලා. Substitution in indices. ඔය indices වල තියෙන substitution. These are known as the substitutions in indices. So we have to substitute the A value from the given value. When A equals to 1, then you have to substitute 1 for the value A. Right? I have replaced the A with the value 1. මම A කියන value එකත් එක්ක 1 කියන එක replace කරා. And I have put some brackets, right? Then B equals to 2. Then put some brackets. Again 2 to the power 3. Right? In between A and B, the sign should be this one, right? When this kind of situations like X, Y, or A, B, or let's take 2X, this kind of situations, they are asking that it should be X into Y. In here, A into B. In here, 2 into X, right? In between these two letters, the value should be, sorry, the sign should be multiplication sign, right? So first of all, you have to find the power of 3. Then you have to multiply it by 1, right? මුලින්ම 2 වල powers හොයලා තමයි 1 වලින් multiply කරන්නේ. First thing you should do is you have to get the power of 2 and multiply it by 1, right? So what is the 2 to the power 3 answer? What is the
6.
answer? 2 to the power 3 is 6. No,
6.
no.
8.
8 නේද? 2 to the power 3 කියන්නේ ළමයි, right? 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. Not 2 times 3, right? 2 times 3 is 6. I agree, right? දෙවරක් තුන 6යි, I agree. But 2 to the power 3 is කීයද?
2 into 2 into 6.
2 into 2 into 2 means
2.
8. 2 into 2 means 4. 4 into 2 means 6 නෙමෙයි 8. හරි? Got it? Then the answer of this part is 6, right? මේ part එකේ answer එක 6. Into 1. Right? Into 1 means 6 times 1 kiyada? Don't tell us 1, right? 6. So the final answer should be 6. Right? කාගෙද හරිද? Ranara saying 8, right? Okay. Most of the answers are 7 name. Vihan is saying 6. Okay. Right. So the correct answer is 6, right?
6.
Okay. Let's move on to the next question. All right. If there are any questions, please put a message on the chat box so you can speak.
No, sir.
Okay. Next question, simplification. Simplify this one. So the order of simplifying this kind of mathematical question is, what is the order? BOD, MS. What is this?
BODMAS.
BODMAS, correct. B means
Brackets.
Correct. O means
Of
off. D means
division.
division. K means sorry K ne. Oh, me not here. M. Sorry. M means multiplication. Then A means addition. S means
Subtraction.
subtraction. Right. So you have to do this simplification in order of BODMAS, right? BODMAS in order you have to find out the answer. Right. Find the answer quickly. Then you have to find the answer for the sorry, you have to find the answer within the bracket first, right? මුලින්ම bracket එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන එකට ඔයාලා answer එක හදලා ඉන්න ඕන, right? Okay, I got one answer. Right. ඔයාලා ලියනකම් මම question එක ලියන්නම් මෙහෙම. Right. I got 2 answers, 3 answers, 4 answers. Good. Oh, එච්චරයි. මේ හරියයි. Right. I'm getting some answers right now. මට ඔක්කොම answers ටික එවුවන හරි. විතර ඉන්නවා. There are around 20 participants. අපේ miss answers එවන්න පාරද? miss නැතුව let's take 18 participants ලා ඉන්න මට එයාලගෙන් answers ටික ඕන ඔක්කොම වගේ. Right. I'm getting answers from most of these, right? So I'll find the answer for this one, right? 12 plus 3 divided by division sign එකක් ඉතින් හදන්න වෙනවනේ මට. Divided by 5. So you have to find out the answer within the bracket. This is the මේක තමයි අපේ first step එක. This is the first step. So 12 plus 3 means what? Answer? 15. Then divided by 5.
3.
Then අපි මේ දෙක solve කරාම answer එක එනවා 3 කියලා. Then 21 minus 3 means 18. Good. ඒක නම් කට්ටිය හරිනේ. Right. Yola correct නේද? Nirmani Anuradha 18 correct. Azim 18 correct. Hasna 18 okay. Shivani Ransara ඔක්කොම දීලා දෙනවානේ. Right. So the fifth question. So name a scale and triangle and a right angled isosceles triangle in the Situka. You have any questions? Oh, ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද නෑනේ? කියන්න ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? Isosceles triangle in the given below, right? Scale and triangle එකක් name කරන්න ඕනේ මුලින්ම. Then right angled isosceles triangle එක මේක name කරන්න ඕනේ. Right. I'll explain the types of triangles first, right? There are mainly there are 2 types of triangles, right? Triangles can be categorized into 2 parts. First part is
Equilateral triangle.
Okay, equilateral triangle. So according to the length of the side. According to the length of the side, there are 3 types of triangles. So the first one is the answer. Who said? Azim, I think. Azim the giver. The first answer is equilateral. Equilateral triangle is the first one, right? Next one is what? Isosceles triangle. Triangle.
Scale and triangle.
The next one is scalene triangle, right? These are the three types of triangles according to their lengths. එයාලගේ length වලට අනුව තියෙන triangles වර්ග තුන, right? The next one is according to their angles. Write down these points up. මේවා ලියා ගන්න note එකට. According to the angles in the triangle. So what is the first one? Shooting angle.
Right
The
angle
smallest.
triangle.
Right angle triangle is correct. Nice, good, excellent, superb. Right angled triangle. Next one. අර චූටි කට්ටිය මෙච්චරක් එමුක.
Acute angle triangle.
Acute angled triangle. Third one?
Obtuse angle.
Right angle triangle.
Right angle triangle is all. Yes, obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle triangle.
Obtused angled triangle. So write down this table quickly. So in here you have to find out the scalene triangle from this figure and the right angle isosceles triangle. Right? Right? I think you all are done, eh? Yes, Bemita?
Suarez.
Azim? Sorry. Any questions, Bemita? Oh, Azim? Shehara is telling that SRQ. Scalene නේද? So equilateral කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? What's mean by equilateral? Equilateral means all these sides are equal. All the three sides are equal. Isosceles means only two sides are equal. Right? Equivalent sides දෙකයි. Scalene means
None of the sides are equal.
all are not equal. එකක්වත් සමාන නැත. Right? All are not equal. So in here, first one is we have to find out the scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means all the sides should not be equal, right? මේකේ තියෙන scalene එක මොකක්ද? කාටද කියන්න පුළුවන්? Which one is the scalene one? When we putting these kind of cut marks, it is telling that SR is equals to RQ, right? SR කියන එක න RQ ට equal කියලා තමයි මේ cut lines වලින් කියන්නේ, right? So this side is equals to this side and RP is equals to QP, right? So
SPQ.
okay. Yes, good. Scalene means all the sides should not be equal නේ. එතකොට අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් කොහෙද? RQ. Right. Share එක answer එක හරි. Right? ඊට පස්සේ කිව්වා වොහාරා. වොහාරගේ answer එකත් correct. Scalene scalene එක මම මෙතන ලියන්න. Scalene triangle එකට එන්න ඕන ඔයාලගේ answer එක SPQ. Triangle SPQ. Then the right angled
QSP.
isoscale.
No, QRP.
Yes. Isosceles වෙන්නත් එපා. මේකේ දැන් පොඩි point එකක් තියෙන්නේ. Sorry. පරිතේ නෑනේ. right angled isosceles means මෙන්න මේ points දෙකම valid වෙන්න ඕනේ. isosceles කියන මේ point එකත් valid වෙන්න ඕනේ. right angle කියන මෙන්න මේ point එකත් valid වෙන්න ඕනේ. These 2 points should be valid when writing the answer for the second part. This part, right? So, right. SRQ is what? SRQ is only an isosceles, ne? එක isosceles විතරයි වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Yes.
QPR.
QPR. Take PQR or QPR. This one. Two sides also equal and there's a 90-degree angle, right angle. So the answer should be RPQ. නැත්නම් PQR. All are correct. All the answers are correct, right? Got it? Scale and triangle. R Q. Yes, Sydney, your answer is correct. RQS for the scale and one. Sorry, RQS means, sorry, my mistake. Scalar neda ayala තියෙන්නේ. Scalar should, that's wrong neda. RQS means this part ne. RQS කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ part එක. In here, you can see that there are two sides are equal. මේ side එක මෙයාට equal. Right? එතකොට isosceles කියන, sorry, scalar කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? What is mean by scalar? Scalar means all the sides should not be equal. නේ? එතකොට should not be equal නේ. දැන් මම ගත්තොත් මෙන්න මේක. So my answer is SQR. Yes. Asna, your answer is correct, right? This one QSP. මෙන්න මේක තමයි scalar එකට ගන්න වෙන්නේ අපිට, right? Right, මෙතන පොඩි logic එකක් තියෙනවා දෙවෙනි question එකේ. ඒක තමයි මෙන්න මේ right angled isosceles කියන එක. Right? ඒකේ right angle එක we have to identify the right angle first. So right angle is in here. Then find out this isosceles. Isosceles means two sides should be equal. Sides දෙකක් සමාන වෙනවා. මේ තියෙන sides දෙක. You can see the two sides. This one. Right? Tutak property. Right. Next one. If you have any questions, please put a message onto the chat box, right? Sixth one. Right? If you have any questions, please ask. Right? Bye, Nipa. Don't be afraid, huh? Prashnan. Write down the given fraction as a decimal number. ඔය දීලා තියෙන fraction එක decimal number එකක් විදිහට ලියන්න ඕනේ. You have to write down the given fraction as a decimal number. First of all, I'll write down these steps, huh? You also write down this one. ඔයාලත් මේවා ලියා ගන්න. Steps. Number 1, convert the given fraction to fraction with the denominator 10, 100 or 1000. Right? First thing you should do is what? Convert the given fraction to fraction with the denominator 10 වෙන්න පුළුවන් 100 or 1000. Right? 10, 1000 or 100 කියන denominators වලට මෙන්න මේ fraction එක convert කරන්න ඕන. First of all, you have to convert the okay, answers. I'll got some answers. Shehara, Bemita, Desandi, right? Others try to find out, huh? Then so I'll do the steps in here. 405 ne? 405. 405 means we have to convert the denominator to 10, 100 or 1000. I'll convert the denominator to 10. 10 means you have to multiply the denominator by 2. Right? Then 5 times 2 means 10. Now the denominator is changed to 10. 4 times 2 is what?
8.
8. Correct. Now write down the second step. Write down the numerator directly. කෙලින්ම numerator ගාලට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. And put the decimal place. Write down these points according to the denominator. Right? According to denominator, you have to put the decimal point. Right? Now, our fraction is 8 over 10. 8 over 10. Then you have to write down the numerator directly. So the numerator is in here is 8, and there are only 1 zeros in the denominator. Denominator එක තියෙන එක 0 එකයි. Then you have to put the decimal place for the first decimal place. If there are only 1 0, you have to put only 1 decimal place. Right? If there are 2 zeros, then you have to put
2 decimal,
places. Right? Then the answer of this one is 0.8. Right? Answers තුනක් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. Hansa, Ranara. Okay, good. All right. If there is question like this, what is the answer? May I question තිබ්බොත්? Now the denominator is 100. Numerator is 90. What is the answer? Who can tell? බලන්න කියන්න බලන්න.
1.19.
0.19.
0.19 කියලා answer එකක් එනවා. 1.9. There's another answer. Shahara is telling that
0.19.
Vahara is telling 0.19. Correct. Shivani is telling 0.019. Okay. ලොකු ප්‍රශ්නයක් ඒකනේ. Right. මේක මේ steps ටික follow කරන්න. Follow the given steps, right? That's it. Denominator is 100. So we don't know to convert the denominator again. Right? Write down the numerator directly. ඔන්න මම numerator එක directly ලිව්වා. Okay, Muhammad is saying 9. Okay, 0.19. Correct. 0.19 is the answer. Hasna, okay. Pranara, okay. Right? Numerator ko naman directly ලිව්වා. I have wrote the numerator directly. If now there are 2 zeros in the denominator. In here only 1 0. Then you have to move the decimal place for
2 decimal places.
2 places. Cheers. Now in here no number, there's empty place, so you have to put 0, then 1 and 9. That's it. The one who's telling the answer is 1.9. The fraction should be like this. 19 කියපු එක්කෙනාගේ answer එකට 1.9 කියපු එක්කෙනාගේ answer එකේ fraction එක මෙන්න මෙහෙම තියෙන්න ඕන එහෙනම්. නේ? There's only 1 0 in the decimal place. Sorry, 1 0 in the denominator. Then the answer is 1.9. That is correct. Right? Write down these things quickly. Done. Ivarada?
Done, sir.
Done. Next one, question number 6. Neda. Okay. Sorry, 7. Right. This is a simple one. Huh? Month and days add currently. You have to add the month and days. No need to explain. Ne? Explain kanona kiyana. Right? Find out the answer quickly. 2 months, 12 days, and 1 month plus 20 days. Vahara, okay. Bemita, okay. I got 2 answers. Answers they gonna match. Both answers are matching each other. What about others? Quickly.
Sir,
Sorry,
I can't see.
you can't see the screen. Yeah. Is it visible now, Muhammad?
Okay.
All right, good. Okay, Saad Khan. That's Shah Rukh Khan, right? Saad Khan and Hasna. Hasna, how many days for a month? මාසෙට දවස් කීයද? Hasna, how many days for a month?
4 months, 2 days.
30 days.
30 days.
30 days, okay. But in Hasna's calendar, there are 32 days. Why is that?
Sir, I did a mistake there.
Right. So, okay. Then move 30 days as a month for the month side, right? Anit Patrika then. Me move then. So there are only 2 days remaining, I think. Yes. Okay, Shivani is correct. Shehara, correct. Manula, okay, correct. Sydney.
4 months, 2 days.
Yes, 4 months and 2 days. I method 2 ne. 12 plus 20 means 32 ne.
32.
Then why is in here 2? I method දෙකක්. ගණන් වැරදිලා. එහෙමද නෑනේ. This is not a mistake, right? Make a mistake එකක් නෙමේ. The answer is 32. That's correct, right? But in day side, you have to keep the number up to
30.
30. In here, there are the number is 32. Then you have to subtract 30 and move that 30 to month side. Then month should be 1. 30 months means 30 days means 1 month ne. එතකොට මෙතනින් 30 remove වෙලා 1 month කියාට පස්සේ කී දෙන්නේ? 2 plus 1 means 3. 3 plus 1 means 4.
4.
4 plus 4 months and
2 days.
Sorry, 2 days, correct. 32 minus 2 means 2. Right. Hasna correct? Hasnaගේ දැන් හරි. Hasnaගේ calendar එක චුට්ටක් කරලා ගන්න ගන්න බලන්න. Again, there's a question in days and months. Find it out quickly. Where's the equation? මෙතන එකක් තියෙනවා. Oh, give me a second. It's a mistake. අපි 8 එක miss කරලා. It's okay. Find out the answer for this one. Days and months. Then let's move on to the 8th question. First, find the answer for the ninth question. Indicate 203 days in months and days.
6 months. 6 months, 23 days.
6 months, 23 days. Okay. Any other answers? What are the answers? Find out quickly. You had to divide this number by 30. That's it. Make a 30 වලින් divide කරලා බලන්න. එච්චරයි. 203 divided by 30.
6 months and 23 days.
23 days. Okay. මේ divide කරලා බලන්න. quickly answer එක එතකොට එනවා. Right? Right. 200 means 30, 30, 30. 30 times kiyada? 6 name.
6.
6.
Yes.
180.
80, then meaning
Minus
23 remaining. Ne? Right. 23 means the number of days and the 6 is the number of months. If anyone who cannot understand this equation, write down these steps and put these arrows. Right? මේ arrows ටික දාගන්න. එතකොට ඔයාලට knowledge එකක් එයි. The reason is to divide this 30, sorry, this number by 30 is there are අනිත් කට්ටිය තියාගන්න. There are 30 days for a month. Right? Now the 8th question. Name the pair of parallel lines. Pair of parallel lines. What are the parallel lines in here? The first one is may I tell? මම කියන්නද මේක? අමාරුද?
Okay, sir.
All right. මේකේ parallel lines means you can identify the parallel lines using this symbol. මෙන්න මේ symbol එක use කරලා ඔයාලට parallel lines identify කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Actually this equation should be changed as this one. මෙහෙම දෙකක් එන්න ඕන මේකට. ඔයාලා චුට්ටක් එක change කරගන්න. මෙහෙම දෙකක් තියෙන්න ඕන, right? එතකොට තමයි එක match වෙන්නේ. අර sides this same as the side, the equaling of sides, right? මේ sides equal කරන විදිහම තමයි. First of all, PQ SR, correct? Shahara, okay. Name a pair of parallel line. The first one is PQ and SR. What's the other one? තව එකක් තියෙනවා.
PS and QR.
Yes. PS and QR. Those are the parallel lines. You can identify by this symbol. මෙන්න මේ symbol එකෙන් identify කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Okay. The 9th question. 9th එක අපි කරා 10. Tenth one. Find the answer quickly. I'll write down the steps in front of it. Number 1. Write down the like terms. With their signs. Sign එකත් එක්ක plus or minus. Okay. Okay, Shivani. Shihara, I got your answer. Try to find it. Then simplify. This is a special point. The sign of a number or a term is always at the left side of it, right? That means the sign of two-way is what? in here, there's no sign. That means it is plus. The sign of 3b means plus. Sign of A means plus. Sign of B means plus. Sorry, A means minus. Then we have to write down like terms in order with their signs. 2A minus A. Minus A means the sign of A, right? Sign of A is minus, so the term is minus A. Then plus 3B and plus B. So the answer should be 2A minus A means A. The answer is no,
2A for
2A 4B. 2A 4B is wrong. ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් upset.
A plus 4B.
Yes, A plus 4B ne. Why? 2A minus A is here. මෙතන A minus එකක් තියෙනවා මේ. 2A minus A කියන්නේ A. Then plus 3A plus B means plus 4B. Right? Consider the sign na. Sign එක consider කරන්න. Wahara correct. Shivani. Okay. Right. Write down the steps and the answer in here, right? මෙතන answer එක ලියන්න. Hirun Mettuka. Yes, your answer is correct. Good. Where's Hasna? Hasna के answer को. Hasna ने तार calendar में रखी. Hasna, where's your answer?
I can understand this.
This one you cannot understand this one.
Yeah.
Ayo, kalian කියන්නේ බෑ. Right. First of all, you have to identify the sign of the term. Right? What is the sign of 2A? 2A के sign එක හිටියේ. The sign of 2A is in front of it.
Plus.
In front, yes. In front of it means the sign of 2A means 2. Sorry. Sign of 2A means plus. What is the sign of 3B? Hasna.
Minus.
This one not minus. It is at the left side.
Plus.
Plus. Then sign of A?
Minus.
Minus.
Minus. Sign of B?
Plus.
Plus. Now move the terms as their like terms. Again, like terms you have to move together, right? Then 2A is in here. What is the like term of 2A? You have to identify the A terms. A terms. 2A and A. So you have to move A with the minus sign, right? A 2A move කරන්න ඕන minus sign එකත් එක්ක. So what is the answer? 2A minus A in here. Then 3B. 3B के sign है what is the sign of 3B? Plus 3B. Then plus 3B plus B. This is the term. You have to arrange the order. Is it okay? The order? Got it? Got the order? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then you have to solve the answer. That's it. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, this one and this one. Right? Write down the steps, Hasna. Okay. Next. Okay, Ranara, okay, Ranara or Ranara. I don't know. Anyway, your answer is correct, right? 11. Right, find the answer quickly. I'll give you some time. 2 minutes for this question. Find the perimeter and substitution. අපි කලින් කරා වගේ. We have already done this question at the beginning of the session. This one, මෙන්න මේ වගේ එකක්. Like this one, right? Try to do this one quickly. I'll give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes means you have to finish it by 1:08. Right? Quickly. Vahara. X equals 30. Hasna, your answer is correct. Good. Vahara, correct.
X into X equal
X equal, yes, tell
13.
Muhammad. 13, good. X plus yes, Shahara, correct. The perimeter means the, Bemita, okay. Perimeter means the addition of the all the sides in this shape, right? Then P equals X plus
Push.
whose where the whose where's your whose, right? X plus X means 2X and there's only Y, then the answer should be P equals X plus 2Y. This is the perimeter. Shivani, correct? Bemita, correct? Shivani, correct? Okay. Hirun, Mituka, correct? Done. හොඳයි නේ? ඒක පුළුවන් කට්ටියටම. Then you have to substitute the given values for the given values for the terms. 35, P means 35. 2 times X means you have to find out the value for the X plus Y means 9. Then move this plus 9 to the other side as 35 minus 9 equal 2X. Then 2X equals to 26. That means you have to divide the both sides by 2. Then X equals 30. Correct. Right? හොඳයි නේ කට්ටියගේ මේක හරි. You didn't get it. Who is that? That message was disappeared නේ අයියේ. හොල් මං වගේ. නෑ
That was
නෑ.
a mistake.
Right. Right. That message was disappeared. දෙසන්දි. දෙසන්දි මෙතන මේ you have to write down the formula. මේක ඕකේද දෙසන්දි? මේ formula එක.
No, sir.
මේ formula එක ඕකේ නැද්ද? බුදුහාමුදුරුවෝ අපේ ක්ලාස් වල කරන්නේ මේක. ඈ? මේකේ perimeter කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? P කියලා එලා දීලා තියෙනවා මේ. P වලට ඔයාලට ලියන්න ඕන ඉතුරු ටික. P කියන්නේ perimeter නේ. Perimeter කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? Perimeter means the addition of all the sides. මේ වටේම තියෙන lengths වල එකතුව. Right? එතකොට perimeter අපි value එක ගත්තා P කියලා. Right? එතකොට මේ side එකේ value එක x, මේ side එකේ value එක මේ පැත්තෙන් x, මේ පැත්තේ y. එතකොට මම ලියුවා yx plus y කියලා. බැරිද? x plus x කියන්නේ 2x and y. හරිද?
Okay, sir.
ඊට පස්සේ ඔයා මේකට substitute කරන්න. එච්චරයි. Right? Okay. What is this software application? This is OneNote, right? OneNote. OneNote inside the package of MS Office. MS Office package आता है මේක. Right? Shahara, okay ne?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Fill in the blanks. 12th question. You may continue the paper. ඔයාලට පුළුවන් නම් continue කරගෙන. If there are any questions, please ask, or else you can continue with the paper. 12th one. Which is the suitable symbol? Which one is the largest one? කද ලොකුම එක? I got one answer. Vohara Shivani. Then answer there. One 30. Others, please send quickly. Koi 30. First, convert these fractions into improper fractions. 2 times 5 plus 1. 2 times 1. 2 times 5 means 10. 10 plus 1 means 11. Over 5. Right? 2 times 10. 20. 20 plus 2 means 24. Over 10. Right? Then I'll write down these steps. Sorry? Yes, 22. Thank you. Steps. First of all, you have to convert the given mixed numbers into into what? Improper fractions. Right? Next, get the denominators equal. Get the denominators equal and then identify largest fraction. Right? That's it. Only 3 steps. May steps to no follow karana, right? We already did the first step. That means convert the given mixed numbers into improper fractions, right? I'll quickly do one of it. First of all, you have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. That means 2 times 5 is 10. Then 10 plus 1. In here 10. Then 10 plus 1 means 11. Right? 11 and the denominator is 5. That's it. Okay, answers ගොඩක් කියලා තියෙනවා. Okay, less than sign. Desandi, Shehara, Ranara, Bemita is sending that equal signs තුනක් තියෙනවා. Hasna is telling less than. Okay. Let's see. Then I'll equal the denominators into 2 into 2. Right? 10, 22. In here 22, 10. මොකද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ?
Same.
දෙකම එකයි. Same.
Denominator also same, numerator also same.
Yes. Hasna, any questions? Your answer is okay, right? Hasna, any questions? තියෙනවද ප්‍රශ්න? Right? First of all, you have to convert the given mixed numbers to improper fractions. Then get the denominators equal. Then in here the denominator is 5 and 10. So those are not equal. Right? So we have to equal the denominators. Then 5 times 2 we can get 10. Okay. Then we have to multiply the same number by the numerator. 11 times 2 means also 22. Then all are equal. Right? They become equal. Right. Write down this quickly.
Wrote, sir.
Okay, good. After time එක මදි වෙයි නේ කරන්න. කොහොම ටික. Let's do some advanced question, right? Try to find this one. The 15th one. 15th question.
Sir, I can't see the question.
Oh, sorry. I'll see. I'll put it in the screen. Right, this one. Okay. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do it quickly. The LCM, least common multiple. Find it. Quickly. Got one answer. Shehara. What about the others? Still finding. In here, you have to identify the highest power of each numbers. මේ power numbers වල තියෙන වැඩිම power එක ඔයාලා identify කරගන්න ඕනේ. You have to identify the highest power of each numbers. In here, in 8, 2 times 2 times 2, right? That means 8. It's correct. Then 12 means 2 times 2 and times 3. 2 times 2 means 4. 4 times 3 means 12. That's also correct, right? 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 means 24. It's also correct. And the index form is 2 to the power 3. Make 2 to the power 3 කියලා තියෙනවා. Right? In here 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 3 and 3. Right? So there are two numbers, 2 and 3. This one. Right? So identify the highest power of each numbers. What is the highest power of 2 in here? 2 වල වැඩිම power එක කීයද? What is the highest power of 2 in this group? 2 to the power 3. Right? And you can circle this one also. That's correct, huh? Doesn't matter. 2 to the power 3 is highest. And the power of 3 is 1. Make it 1, make it 1. Both are getting 1. Right? Then LCM of these three numbers should be 2 to the power 3 into 3. Right? So 2 to the power 3 means what? 8. 8 times 3 means? Here. 8 times 3 means 20?
24.
24, correct. මම මේකේ ස්ටෙප්ස් ටික දාන්නම් මෙතන මේ steps ගොඩක් හදලා තියෙන equation එකේ. I'll write down the steps, huh? The equation already done some steps to find the answers, but I'll write down the whole steps, right? Write down the given number multiple of right? The first step is write down the given number as a multiple of prime numbers, which means these steps. මෙන්න මේ step එක තමයි පළවෙනි step එක, right? The steps 2, write down those multiples as a as in index 4. Next one, identify the highest powers of each numbers. In here, in here 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 1. 3 to the power 1 means The power of 3 in here, 1, right? In here, power of 3 is 1. Yes, okay. Ranara, Bhemika, correct. Right. Then multiply those numbers. Those indices. Right. That's it. Right. The next question. This one is good. 20th one. I'll quickly do the first part, right? Because the time is running so fast, right? Right, 20th one. Try to do that one. This is regarding the circles lesson.
The center
Do
of
it.
the given circle is O.
Name OA.
A,
OA and PQ. There are special names for those lines. සමහර අය නම් දන්නවා සමහර කට්ටිය දන්නේ නැති උනාට කමන්නේ. Right?
Center of the given circle O. The given
Try to
circle is O, right?
tell some answers quickly.
Name OA and PQ. Name OA and PQ. You know?
The center of the given
Yeah.
circle is O, and OA is what?
Yeah. Maybe.
From center to the circumference. What's the name of that?
We study that. You can also the diameter.
OA is equals to, it is known as the radius, right? Then PQ.
Radius.
PQ means what?
OA is radius.
diameter.
Annari. Diameter.
Diameter.
Good.
That's all.
Diameter means
Diameter.
diameter means what? Radius එක වගේ කීයද?
2 radius.
2 times the radius. Yes. 2 times the radius. You should keep it in mind, right? Because it is important to the part 2. Find the length of OA. OA length when PQ is equal to 7 centimeters.
That is 2A. Radius radius understand? Huh?
Radius to
Radius is
PQ
also
means 7.
from the middle to the this one.
PQ means 7 centimeters. That means I already taught you the radius, the diameter is twice the radius, right? So in here OA means the radius. Radius second methi, right? So you have to divide the given value. That means the given value for the diameter by 2, which means 7 divided by 2.
3.5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. Correct. 3.5. Good. That thing you have to identify, right? 14 is wrong. Ranara or Ranara. Right? 14 means you have found the diameter, right? Diameter හොයලා තියෙනවා. OA means this part ne. Then PQ length was given. PQ means 7 centimeters. You have to find this one. This is radius ne. OA radius, OP radius, right? මෙතන මම radius ටික ලියලා දාන්න. ඒක ඔයාලා ලේසි. මෙතන තියෙන radius OP comma OP comma OQ comma OA. There are 3 radius in here. And the diameter in here is what? Diameter is PQ, right? These two, all these 3 radius are equal in the circle, right? Then if you found the value for the OP value කාල හෙව්වොත්, then automatically you will get the answer for the OA1, right? This is it. Try to find it, right? If you have any questions, please send a message to the chat box, right? Right. Let's move on to the second paper quickly. We have to do it so fast, right? Okay. Let's do this one, right? Number 3, part 2, question number 3. Try to do this one quickly. Right. The first 2 equations. These 2 equations. I'll give you 2 minutes, right? Do quickly. Build up a simple equation. You have to build up an equation quickly. Okay. When 4 is added to x. 4 කියන එක කෙනා when 4 is added to x. When 4 is added means you have to add. Means the addition sign. Added to x. Then the result is what? 12. The result is 12. That's it. K 4 plus correct. Shara, your first answer is correct, right? The value, right, good. සමහර කට්ටිය Excel values වලම දාලා. Good, හොඳයි. This is the answer for the first one. Second one.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Sachin, okay.
පළවෙනි එක අනිත් පැත්තට ලියලා තිබ්බ 12 මුලට දාලා.
That means 12 is equals to x plus 4.
Yes.
Correct. So correct.
Okay.
Doesn't matter, right? Okay. Number 2. Question number 2. When 3 is subtracted from 3 is subtracted means minus, right? 3 is subtracted from twice of a. Sorry. Twice of a කියන එක කෙනාගේ කවු subtract කරන්නේ? Twice of a means 2 times a. Twice of a again we are going to subtract 3. Then the result is 7. Identified it clearly, right? The twice of a. Twice of a again තමයි subtract කරන්නේ. This is passive, right? When 3 is subtracted from the twice of a. Twice of a again තමයි 3 subtract කරන්නේ. right? This is totally wrong. 3 minus 2a is totally wrong. Make a වැරදි. In here, you have subtracted twice of a by 3. නේ? 3ෙන් තමයි අඩු කරලා තියෙන්නේ twice of a. Twice means දෙගුණයක්. Twice කියන්නේ දෙගුණයක්, right? දෙපාරක් multiply වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. කියන්නේ මෙතන the sign in between these two numbers is multiplication. Then the twice of a sorry, the 3 is subtracted from the twice of a. Twice of a again 3 subtract කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Right? There are 4 marks. There are 4 marks for this question, right? First one is 2 and the second one is also 2. Try to solve the B part quickly. This is simple, right? This is simple. Question number B. Quickly, find the value of x. Okay, I got some answers. First one, I got 3 answers. Quickly, one. අප්පා ස්ක්‍රීන් එකේ විනාඩිය ගත්තේ නැහැ ආන්සර්ස් පිළිලා හොඳයි. හොඳයි නේ මේ ඉන්ටරෙස්ටිං. රිප්ලයි කරනවා මැසේජ් කරනවා good right? That was nice. Right. Okay, I got some answers. Then I'll write down the answer quickly. X plus 7 is equals to 15. Plus 7, you have to move to the other side of the equation. That means move this 7 into this side as x equal 15 minus 7. x එකට පයින් ගහලා වගේ කැතයි. මෙහෙම ලියමු. Right. Now x is equals to 7. 15 minus 7 means correct 8. Answer for the first one is 8. And 3x minus 2 equals to 13. Then you have to move this 2 first. Minus 2, listen to the
3 plus 13. 15.
Yes. Then 3s is equals to 15. Correct. Okay. Then divide both sides by 3. That's it. X equals to kid. Okay. What answers දෙවෙනි එකට වෙලා තින්නේ දෙන්නයිනේ. I got only 3 answers for the second question. 5. Right? When you are solving these kind of equations, let's take there's a plus sign in this side, and you have to move that plus sign to the next side as minus, right? If it is a minus 1, then you have to move it as plus.
Plus.
Yes. If it is a multiplication, then it should be as what? As a division. If it is a division sign,
Multiplication sign.
yes, it should be changed as multiplication sign when changing those signs, right? මේ sides change කරද්දී ඔයාලා මේ signs change වෙන විදිහ තමයි මේ කිව්වේ, right? Done. Okay. Here the answer is 5, right? 5 answer. Next one. Solve the next equation using a flow diagram means while solve karna vidhiya thamma. This is the flow diagram. Right? 2x plus 1 equals to 5. This is the equation. Two x plus 1 is equals to 5. Solve it quickly. Find the value of x. Quickly find the value. Okay. X equals to 2, x equals to 3. Azim, check your answer again. Because the most of the answers are 2, right? Yes, the answer should be 6 and... Sorry. Azim, your answer is correct. Then check it. Azim, if the sign of 1 is plus, in here the sign of 1 is plus, then you have to move this 1 to the other side. Then 2x is equals to 5 minus 1. Sorry, yes, 5 minus 1, right? Then 5 minus 1 means 4. And 2x is in here. If we divided 2 by both sides, the answer is what? X equals to 2. That's it. Check. Got it, Azim?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. That question is totally completed. Let's move on to the fourth question. Part 2, question number 4. Quickly, right? Right. I'll give some time. 2 minutes again. When you are finding answers, find the answer and put it into the chat box, quickly. Then it's easy to make, right? Express the perimeter. Perimeter means the addition of all the sides as an algebraic expression. Quickly, do it. Only part A. Part A, there are 4 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 4 questions.
Express the perimeter of figure A in an algebraic expression.
Expression, yes. Find out quickly. Muhammad. Yes. Is it pronouncing like Muhammad or Muhammad?
Muhammad.
Muhammad. All right. Good.
Right.
Right. Find the answer quickly. Right. Shara, okay, correct? I got one answer, correct answer, one correct answer from water. Others try quickly.
Sir, there is a black screen on
Oh,
the
sorry, sir.
laptop.
Okay, my mistake. Sorry, dear. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
All right. Bemita, try to simplify it. Take up simplify karan balan, Bemita. I need a simplified one. Only Shehara has simplified and put the answer. Shehara, Mystica, right? That's an interesting name. Mystica or what? Shehara?
Shehara Mystica.
Mystica, right. Good. Okay, Shivani's answer also correct. Bemita, try it again. Vohara, the part of your answer is correct, right? ඔයාගේ answer එක part එකක් හරි අනිත් part එක චුට්ටක් හරි right. The first part is correct. There's an error in the second part. That means the -6. Try it again. Azim, 3 means what? Again, Bemita also doing the same thing. First part is correct, but the second part is wrong. Right. I may do it, right? Mankarana. Perimeter means the addition of all the sides, right? Perimeter means the sum of all the sides. Perimeter. Perimeter is equals to in figure A. So in the figure A means this one, right? You have to add these values together. That's it. මේ තියෙන values එකකට add කරන්න. That's it. X plus 3 ඔන්න එක part එකක්. This one. This part is already done. Then I'll take this part, which means x plus 2 again plus 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. Now simplify it. In here, x plus 2x here. x plus x here.
4x.
4x in here. Then 3 plus 3 plus 2 minus 1 here. Plus 2 plus 3 means 5. 5 minus 1 means plus 4.
4.
This is correct. Correct. Hirun, okay, correct, good. Appa, Shehara, length, breadth, ඔක්කොම ටික හොදා. Nice, good. Shehara paper එකම ඉවරයි. Hirun, correct. He is Hirun, I am Tarun, good. Matching, ne? Shahid, Azim. Try to solve it again, huh? So the perimeter is P. P equals 4x plus, this is the answer. 4x plus 4. Pranara, correct, good. So the next one, simplify the above expression and write down the simplest form. You already did it. Mega kara. This is the answer for the first one and this is for the second one. We already did 2 questions. Then substitute. That's it. Then all substitute karan. If A equals 4 and B equals to 3, find the length and breadth of the rectangle. In the rectangle in figure B, what is the length? Let's take the length as in question number 3. Question number 3. I'll take the length as 3A plus B. So in here, we have to get, we have to substitute 4 to A, right? Plus B means the value is 3, right? Equals 4 times 3 means what? 12. 12 plus 3 means 15, right? Yes, Shiara's answer is correct. Try to solve this one also. I already did the length and try to find the breadth of it quickly in here. Breadth. Let's take the breadth as 2A minus B. 2A minus B. Try to solve it quickly. when A equals to 4 and B equals to 3. 1 more minute. Do it quickly. Kirun, your answer is correct. What about others? 2 times A means? A in here 4 and minus B means in here 3. Then 4 times. 4 times, right? 4 into. Then 2 times 4 means 8 minus 3 means the answer should be 5. Right? I got the okay. Saad Khan, okay. Correct. Azim, correct. Anara, Bemita, correct. Right. All the answers are correct, ne? Good. Using the values you got, you have obtained in 3, find the area of the figure. How we are going to find the area of a rectangle? I'll give you the formula. Area means area is equals to length into breadth. Now find the answer quickly. Find the answer and put it into the chat box quickly. Okay, I got one answer, Hirun. Good. Others reply. Three. I got 3 answers, right? Ranara. Is it Ranara or Ranara? Huh?
Ranara.
Rana. අනේ අපි මම හිතුවේ boy කෙනෙක් කියලා නෙච්චර. Ranara, sorry. My mistake. Right. Mohara, okay, 75. Manula, correct. Azim. Okay, Muhammad, correct. Then the length is 15 and breadth is 5. So the answer should be 75. මේ මෙයාට 75 කියලා තියන්න එපා. Please add some clothes like centimeters. Right? This is in centimeters. Ne? Let's take centimeters. Centimeter square. The answer should be in square centimeters, right? 75 is okay, but the answer should be like this. Huh? The SI unit of area. Write down this point. Standard unit. SI unit of area is area equals to well answer when you are keeping the answer you have to write down like centimeter square or meter square, right? This is important when writing the answers for area questions, right? Write down this one. Right. So let's do a simple question, another simple question. Try to find values for the second question. This one. Find the answer for the question number 2, part A. Right? I'll give you 2 minutes to complete it.
A is 30, B is
Sorry.
B is A is 30, B is 40.
A is 30, B is 40, or B A is 40, B is 30.
Yeah,
A is
B,
40.
B was
Ah, A
30.
is 40, yes, correct. A is 40, correct. That means A equals to 2 to the power 3 means 8. 8 times 5
8
means
multiplied by 5, 40.
40, correct. I'll 2 to the power 3 means 8 times 5 means 40. B equals to 2 to the power 2
That means 4.
times 4. Times 4 means 2 to the power 4. 2 means 4 into 4. Means here.
16.
Answer. 16. Is it okay? Any questions? Others? In here 5 to the power 2. Sorry. My mistake. In here 5 to the power 2.
What?
Right. 5 to the power 2 means what? 100. Sorry. 25. 25 means the answer should be 100, right? Right. Jangan pa chutta karne metode. Mistaken, right? 2 to the power 2 means 4, then 25 correct. Tawat ඇද්දි නම් කියන්න. Find the least common multiple of A and B. Right? Then you have to do these same steps I have already discussed with you. This one. Only thing you have to do is what? මෙන්න මේක විතර ඔයාලට කරන්න තියෙන අන්තිම steps දෙක. Identify the highest powers. That's it. What is the highest power of 2 in here? Bemita? Correct, Ranara. Good.
3.
3. 2 to the power 3 is the highest power. What is the highest power of 5? 5 to the power?
5 to the power 2.
5 to
5
the
to the
power
power.
2.
Correct. Then 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the
5 to the
power
power
3.
2.
5 to the power 2. Right? Then what is the answer? 8
8
times
times 10.
25.
25.
I know. 25.
18 to 25.
Here, 8 25 into 8.
200.
200.
Correct. 200 is the answer. Good. That is the answer for the second one. Right? Pranara correct. Is my answer correct? Good. Kauda. This and the yes, correct. Answer correct. Okay. Then let's move on to the right. Part 2 is little bit right. Let's do this. Let's do this one right. The part B of it. Right, ඒකේ part B එකත් අපි කරමු. ඒකේ part B එකේ first question අපි කරමු. Again, you have to find out the in here you have to find out the HCF, highest common factor. I'll write down the steps all for this one also, right? Steps of, write down quickly. HCF. Step number 1. Circle කියන පා අපි ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් කියමු. Write down the given numbers as උත්තරද කියන්නේ? හොඳයි. Right. 6 correct. හරි. So write down these steps, This will important to your exam, right? My exam will down away. Tiara, correct? Write down the given number as a multiple of prime numbers. Then step number 2. right? First of all, you have to write down the given number as a multiple of prime numbers. It was already DD. Then circle the common multiples of each numbers. Common multiples means you can identify 2 in both means all the 3 numbers. Then in here again we can find 3. So final step is multiply the circled number. 2 and 3 in a circle kare, then
6.
2 times 3 means 6. That's it. Any questions? Others?
Correct.
Correct. Good.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. That's also done. So try to do this one also. Write down those steps, quickly. You have to match these 2 lines. Question number 5, part A. Do it quickly. Right? In here, the prime numbers between 0 and 10. The answer should be what? Prime numbers between 0 and 10.
Second answer.
Second answer is wrong. The first answer is the answer. First answer, yes. Why? 9 has how many factors? 9 වලට තියෙන factors there are
2.
3,
no,
1
3.
and 9. So in here, prime numbers means identify it. Prime numbers means the numbers that have only, write down these things,
2 factors.
2 factors. 2. Only 2 factors. Right? The digits in the number 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. This one.
Third answer.
Yes. Odd numbers between 1 and
Second answer.
Second
Yes.
answer.
3, 5, 7, 9.
right. Okay. Got it, Ned? So how is the session? From the session, Ned?
Thank you, sir.
Before wind up it, so tell me some comments, මොන හරි comments ටිකක් දෙන්න නේද? How is the session?
Very nice, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so I'll hand over the session to Miss Sampa. Hello.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
It was a glad session. I've observing that all the kids are so energetic and engaging. So I hope all kids have taken the best out of the session, and very it was a very like active session as we have expected. So I shall take a minute to thank Mr. Tarun Navidya, who was our facilitator for the day. So thank you very much, Putala, for this active engagement, and parents who were always there as the pillar behind our kids. So thank you very much. We shall see you in the upcoming webinars as well. Other subjects are also conducted as that in the same way that we have communicated in the group. All right, so then without taking much time, I'll wrap up the session here cool, because we have to move on to the next webinar. Grade 6 kids are waiting in the other link. Thank you very much, Pute. See you with the next grade 7 webinar. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.